If you're struggling with creating content because you don't know exactly what topics people want to see and what topics should be beneficial for them, I just solved that problem for myself over the weekend using Claude Code, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So let's go straight into it. So here's my Claude Code interface. I'm using it inside of Visual Studio Code. I prefer this interface to the normal Claude app. So let's go straight into it. So with Claude Code, the barrier is not technical skill. The barrier is just clarity of thinking. So can you explain, can you describe what exactly you want to Claude Code so it can give you a fully functional workflow? And I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it, and I'm just going to walk you through what I did as well. So when you're starting with Claude Code, you need two things or three things. First of all is you need a Claude MD file. Now, a Claude MD file is something that explains how to go about the project, right? Explains to your Claude Code that this is what I need you to do, this is the steps I need you to take, and then this is what I want, this is how I want you to handle the errors, this is what I don't want you to repeat. All of those detailed information are in the Claude MD file. Now, after the Claude MD file, there are also two concepts that I find interesting with Claude Code. One is called skills, and the other are MCP servers. MCP servers is just like Zapier, right? It's like Zapier for AI. It just connects Claude to external tools that you use. For example, your Gmails, your YouTube, and your Google Slides and the rest. Now for skills, skill are just plain English instructions, right? These are instructions that you can write yourself on how you want Claude to perform a particular task. Now, honestly, the mind-blowing thing for me about Claude is that with Claude, Claude can be the best designer you know, can be the best copywriter you know, can be the best developer you know. All you need to do is just to give it those specific skills. If you're able to give Claude a particular skill, it's going to master it and it's going to execute it even more perfectly than a human will, because it's going to come back and correct errors and keep on working as it is. So for this particular workflow, I built a YouTube automation. I personally have been struggling with creating content, right? Because I don't understand what people want to see. I do tell my partner all the time that I don't know what kind of content to post. That's why I don't post that frequently. But now I've been able to fix that problem. Now I have data, statistics, right, from YouTube videos. So what this workflow does for me is, first of all, he went ahead to discover videos on YouTube in my niche. So I told him my niche, I gave it keywords to search for. So he searched, in this case, he found 146 videos in my niche. Now, he got statistics of those videos right here, and then he fetched data from the channel, then he analyzed the trends. So what exactly the prompt I gave it for this was that I want to start creating content that people would like to see and that will be beneficial for them. So I needed to go on YouTube, analyze the content you're seeing in my niche, analyze what is getting the most traction, the most engagement. Tell me what kind of content it is, what kind of topic it is, what's the video length, what are the trends and the insights you're seeing from it. And then I'm telling him that the output should be a PDF, a well-designed PDF. I need it to be sent to my email at 6 a.m. every Monday, 6 a.m. EST every Monday. So I built this workflow in Claude, and then I pushed it live. I deployed it on Modal. So I'm going to show you my Modal right now, and we can just look at the workflow and the main. Now, this is the Modal page. As you can see, 11 a.m. local time, which is 6 a.m. EST. I've scheduled this to run by that time, but I'm just going to run a test now so we can actually see what's going on and what the result looks like. So let's go. So we can see now we have it going, we have it running, we have it running right here. We can see the running sign. So what's going on is that this is going to run in the background, and then when it's done, I would get a Gmail. So it's even very instant. So I'm going to go into my Gmail now, and you would see that I already have a report. So you can see here, the first one, it says GTM and code outbound trend report. So this is my HTML, my email is ready, and you can see they said PDF report is attached. Now this is our report. Let's go through it and see what exactly we did. So it says generated on 8th of February. This is the focus areas, and you can actually see the level of the design. You can see the design, right? So these are topics that is searched, and then this is data on the engagement, the view versus the analysis. This is timing performance, letting me know that Sunday is a good time to post, and then these are like time when the post perform, number of videos, and average views when videos get the highest views. You can see in terms of trending topics and tags. So it's giving me all of this, giving me basically insights. Then it's even giving me the top channels, right? It's giving me the top channels that I can actually look for to get inspiration for my content. Now it's giving me video performance by video length. So you can see that 5 to 15 minutes videos are even performing better than the short clips and then the longer videos as well. So you can see all of these things. This is the end of the report. So all of this report, all of this insight would help me to understand what topics I'm going to go with, and this will be sent to me every Monday. So this is scheduled to run every Monday. So once this runs on Monday, it gives me the content I want. All I need to do is just to put those topics together and make a video on it, and I'm creating content that people actually want to see, and it's going to be beneficial for quite a lot of people. So you can see this run here says I'm succeeded, and it's going to repeat this every Monday. I built all of this in Claude Code without any coding skills at all. Everything just using natural word language and plugging my APIs, giving it the skills to do it accurately. So let me know if you want my Claude MD file for this particular project. You can just plug that in as well and go ahead with building yours. Drop a comment, and then I'll send that over to you. Thank you very much and have a good day.